वेलकम बैक टू पिरामिड इन्वेस्टमेंट्स। आज का वीडियो है ट्रेडिंग एज अ बिजनेस। हमने बहुत सारे बिजनेसेस हमारे सराउंडिंग हमें देखने को मिलते हैं। रिटेल का बिजनेस होता है, शॉप का बिजनेस होता है, रियल एस्टेट का बिजनेस होता है, कोई मशीन्स बेचने का बिजनेस होता है। देयर आर सो मेनी बिजनेस, इवन बिगर कॉर्पोरेट लाइक गूगल, फेसबुक और रिलायंस और टीसीएस, सच काइंड ऑफ बिगर कॉर्पोरेट बिजनेस भी हम उसकी प्रोडक्ट यूज करते हैं डे टू डे रूटीन लाइफ में। ये सारे बिजनेस भी है, राइट? बट ट्रेडिंग को एज अ बिजनेस किस तरह से माना जाता है? सी, understand the definition of the business first of all. What is business? Business is the money making machine. उसको ही बिजनेस बोला जाता है जो बिजनेस से पैसा बन रहा है, यू नो क्योंकि एवरीबडी हैव देयर वन इंटरेस्ट एंड दैट इज मनी। दैट्स व्हाई दे आर डूइंग द बिजनेस। इफ देयर इंटरेस्ट इज नॉट मनी, इट्स कॉल्ड द एनजीओ। ओके, इट्स कॉल्ड द चैरिटी। Okay, if their interest is not money, so each and every business surrounding us, they are doing business for the money. To be honest, everybody are doing business for the money. So if your trading journey, if your trading style, or if your trading decisions, if they make money, then it's called the business. But we are not looking like a business, that is a different things. Okay, but if you start looking, you're trading as a business, then it makes sense something else. You hope you understand what I'm trying to explain over here. you know तो इसको किस तरह से आप ले सकते हो, किस तरह से बिजनेस को बना सकते हो, ट्रेडिंग को ऐसा बिजनेस बना सकते हो, दैट इज होल अबाउट द थॉट प्रोसेस, इज नॉट एनी एक्शन। बिकॉज यहाँ पे आपको कोई मटेरियल नहीं चाहिए। ओके, आपको कोई ऐसा मटेरियल नहीं चाहिए, आपको ऐसा कोई वेयर हाउस नहीं चाहिए, जो आपको कोई ऐसा इक्विपमेंट नहीं चाहिए। ओके, इन द ट्रेडिंग बिजनेस, नॉर्मली in other business you require the inventory, you require the one shop, you require the manpower, you require so many things to start the business. If you want to start, let us say, food business, okay, so you require the, first of all, the location, good hotel locations, then you require the staffs, you require the ingredients, you require the each and everything, that to start the food business. Okay, right? Restaurant business, I mean. Okay, so जब आप रेस्टोरेंट बिजनेस स्टार्ट करते हो, तो इस दिस इज द होल इनिशियल कैपिटल you required to start that business. Okay, but in the trading business you didn't require anything like that way. You didn't require any inventory, any ingredient, any space, nothing. You required just a mobile, one mobile, and everybody has the mobile right now. You require the one mobile and one demand, and then you start your business. Simple. So is it so simple? And then everybody can like to do that. Okay, it's not so simple as we are thinking. you know if it is so simple, then everybody are doing this thing only, because it does not require any initial things to start this business. It just required the pre-demat account opening. you know so which are the things you required? That is very interesting thing you need to understand. And that's what the video main purpose. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आप देखोगे, so I put the four important things. Okay, one is the what to buy, when to buy, how much to buy, and when to sell. If you know these four things, whole four things, and then you will start, make money. And if you are making money consistently, then it's called the business. You making money in some trades, but you lose money again, then it's not about the consistency. So if you make money for the consistent basis, and then only it's a business. The consistency word is very important in this business. If you make money for consistency, of course there are, in between you have some losses, but at the end of the year you making money. And in the business same way, sometime you lose money, sometime in restaurant business, you prepare all foods, but at the end you didn't get enough customer, and that food is a waste, and that is your loss. Yes or no? Okay, so that's what the every business had the risk. Okay, and they have the loss. Okay, so in same way trading as a business. So in the trading business, the whatever the winning trade. Okay, I write down over here, whatever the winning trades, you have the win trades, and you have the losing trade. Okay, winning trade and you have the losing trades. Okay, So that winning trade decide your revenue. Yes, it's called the revenue. Okay, and your losing trade decide the cost. Your losing trade decide the cost of your business. You know, the winning trade decide your revenue, losing trade decide your cost of the business. Revenue minus cost is your profit. Simple formula. You know, in the restaurant business, whatever the cost you put, whatever the rent you given, whatever the staff salary you paid, whatever the light bill you pay, whatever the ingredient you are using, that all are your cost. Okay, and whatever the money you are making from the customers you receive every single day, after 1 month you calculate the whatever the cost you pay, whatever the whatever the revenue generated, it's called the revenue minus cost is equal to your profit. Simple. Okay, in the case of restaurant business. Okay, the same way in the trading, your revenue minus cost is your losing trade, winning trade is your revenue and profits on whatever the initial investment you did. Whatever the initial investment you did for the restaurant business or as a trading business, let us say you start trading with the 5 lakhs, let us say you start your trading journey with the 5 lakhs, then that is your initial investment that you make for the start the business. Now this simple formula. Then I jumps to over here, what to buy, when to buy, how much to buy, and when to sell. These four things you need to understand over here, because in trading business you require these four things, nothing else. You require to acquire this four skill at a time to make money. What to buy means selections of the trade, which trade you need to buy right now. When to buy, that is very interesting things. If you buy the trade at the wrong time, right trade at the wrong time, then also you lose money. Am I right or not? Understand my point? What to buy, when to buy. Okay, then how much share you need to buy. We are, sometimes we skip these things, how much share we need to buy, because this decide your risk, how much risk you are taking in this trade, in any particular trade. Okay, so you need to decide the third important thing, which is how much to buy, and then you need to decide when to sell. If you are doing all three things right way, but if you cannot sell at the right time, then also you lose money. You are losing money. Am I right or not? Okay, so what you have to do, you have to synchronize this four thing at a time. You need to synchronize these four things at a time, and then only this business will work. Then only this business will start to work. Otherwise not, because the winning ratio of this business, honestly speaking, it is only 10 percentage. It is only 10%. 90 percentage people losing money in stock market. And do you know why? They don't know what to buy. They don't know when to buy. If they know what to buy, but they don't know when to buy. Okay, they don't know. They know what to buy, when to buy, but कितना बाय करना है they don't know. क्या बाय करना है, कब बाय करना है, बट कितना बाय करना है, तो भी यू आर लूजिंग मनी. ये तीनों चीज आपको पता है, क्या बाय करना है, कब बाय करना है, कितना बाय करना है, बट कब निकलना है, कब सेल करना है, अगर ये नहीं पता है, देन ऑल्सो यू आर लूजिंग मनी. you know so the four important things you need to understand, you need to learn in this business. So majority of people start their trading journey without learning, and that's why they are losing money, and they do not understand these four important secrets. Okay, and they are not trying to learn these things, what to buy. It's required, honestly speaking, it's required your strategy, your analysis. It's required your analysis or your strategy. Okay, when to buy, it's required the timing, timing the trade. You require the exit timing. How much to buy, it's called the position sizing in the trading language. Position, it's called the position sizing. It's called the position sizing. And when to sell, again, it's required your timing. Okay, so this all are the things you need to, grasp before starting this journey. Here I'm not telling you the strategy and everything, but this is the pure ingredient of this trading as a business. This is four ingredient you need to learn. You need to learn from books, from the experts, from anywhere, you know. And like that way you have to start your trading journey. then नीचे मैंने अपना व्हाट्सएप नंबर दिया है, वहां पर आप हमें हाई कर सकते हो, and then we'll suggest you, we'll set the meeting actually speaking, okay, by one if you really want to set the meeting with me personally, okay. and then what you have to do, you नीचे आप join button भी देख सकते हो, okay, वहां पे जाके आप you click the join button, okay, over here, and then you can set the one meeting with me, and then we'll discuss about that, how to start this journey, how to make a consistent return to in this business, trading as a business, right? Okay. And whole things we discuss one, because in this YouTube video everything cannot cover in one video, you understand that point, okay. So we will set the meeting one, and we'll share each and everything with you, okay, how to start this business professionally, hope you enjoy this video, hope you like this video. Please join कीजिए and subscribe कीजिए हमारी channel को, and let's meet into the next video. Thank you for watching.